Hi everyone, welcome back. Today we are going to learn about pointers and arrays in C++. Pointer is a variable that can hold the address of a normal variable. Array means it's a collection of elements. So how the pointer can point to a collection of elements? Is it possible? Let's see. So this we can revise what is array. So array means it's a derived data type and collection of values we can assign in a single name and each element is with same data type. That is the speciality of array. So here I put one example, int AR of 10. The meaning is AR is the array name. It can hold integers. How many? 10. 10 is the size given. So 10 cells are there with the same name AR. And in each cells we can store integers. So here directly assigning is the equal to the collection of values we want to put it in the bracket. So this is initialization method. So 34, 12, 8, 18, 24, 38, 43, 14, 7 and 19. These are the values assigned in AR. Okay. So now see the structure here. AR is the array. 10 cells are there. Each cell is integer and it carries 34, 12 like all values are there. So see this side, the left side you can see 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, is it? And this side the memory location addresses I put. Just an example, I put 1000 onwards. Because in array, when you are creating array, we'll get all the cells in contiguously. Is it? So if the first cell address is 1000 means the next cell address is for the next number. So we'll get 10 cells in a contiguous way. That is the advantage of array. And how we can refer each cells, because AR is the name given and 10 cells are there. How we can represent each one? Yeah, by using index numbers. Is it? So that is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So if AR of 10 is the size means its index numbers are 0 to size minus 1, that is 9. Clear? See the points. The array AR begins at location 1000. So here we put the example as 1000. And each location consists of 4 bytes. So each location carries 4 bytes as per GCC, means in Genie. According to the compiler, we can define the size of the memory. Okay. So here Genie, according to Genie, I put 4 bytes. Then the element of this array can be referenced by specifying the subscript along with the array name AR. That means the elements we can refer by using the subscript with the name AR. So how? Just see the example. AR of 0, AR of 0 means the 0th position. What is the value in 0th position? See, 34. So it returns 34. Same like AR1, we'll get AR1 means the second location. So we'll get 12. So like that we can put 1 to 9. So AR of 9 means the last location. The value of last location will be 19. So we'll get it 19 there. So this is array. So just see how the pointer can point this collection of elements. Okay. So how the pointer can point the array? So normal declaration int star ptr, meaning ptr is a pointer variable and ptr is pointing to an integer 1. So it is ready to hold the integer address. So here we want to point the array. Is it? There are collection of values. So how we can point to by this ptr? So if you are declaring the statements means we'll get the pointer variable with ptr name and one address I put simply, that is 2010. Okay. Now how we can point this ptr to AR? See the syntax. Pointer variable is equal to ampersand array name. Ampersand means that reference. It shows the reference. Is it? Array name. Then in the square bracket, we want to put the subscript. So the base of the subscript is what? 0. So pointer variable is equal to and array name with 0 subscript. This is the first method of getting the address of the base address of the array to the pointer variable. Okay. See, this one more method is there. Pointer variable is equal to array name. Without putting the ampersand itself, we'll get the value array name to pointer variable. So what value will be there in the array name? Yeah, the base address. Got it? Pointer variable is equal to array name means the base address is holding by array. So that base address will copy to pointer variable. See the example. PTR is equal to ampersand address of AR of 0. AR of 0th address is 1000. So this 1000 will move to where? In the PTR location. See, 1000. And now PTR is pointing to AR. Same like one more point is there. We can write PTR is equal to AR. So if we are putting simply AR means the base address. Okay. So we'll get the base address of array to the pointer PTR. So two methods are there. One is with ampersand sign with the subscript number. And the second method is directly we can copy the base address by using AR array name to the pointer variable. Clear? Okay. So this is the array now. AR is here, collections are there, address is there, and the index number also I put there. Now PTR is pointing to this one. Okay. Now let us see the output of the following statements. I think this is the better way to learn the pointer and an array. So take it as a fun way. Okay. So I'll keep 1 minute for your answer. So just see out PTR. What we will get if we are putting this statement. Yeah, PTR means it's a pointer variable. Already it is pointing to AR now. So see out PTR means the content inside PTR. What is the content inside PTR? Yeah, the value is 1000. Is it? So we will get 1000 on the screen. That is the address of AR of 0. Got it? Now see out star PTR. What is that star? Star means value at operator. Is it? Value at operator. So value at PTR. So what is the content in PTR? That is 1000. That is pointing to which one? AR of 0. So what is the content inside that? Value at AR of 0? 34. So when you are using star PTR, we will get the content of that location. So content of that location means 1000 is the content and the content of that 1000 location, that is 34. Got it? Yeah. That is the difference in PTR and star PTR. We are simply using PTR means we will get the direct content of PTR. Then star PTR means the location. This is the location of another cell. So we will move on to that cell and the content inside that cell we will get it through the star. Clear? Now see the third one. PTR plus 1. See out PTR plus 1. What output we will get? Yeah, PTR is 1000. Is it? PTR is 1000 now. PTR plus 1 means what? PTR plus 1 means 1000 plus 1. But 1000 is an integer location cell. So, we will get next integer location because 4 bytes are there. So, next fourth cell, that is 1004. Is it? So, when you are putting C out PTR plus 1 means we will get 1004. Yeah, displays 1004, the address of AR plus 1. Now see the difference once more. Just putting cout PTR, we'll get the base address there because we are pointing PTR to AR now. Then we are using star PTR means the value at 1000 location, that is 34. Then PTR plus 1, there is no star there, just PTR plus 1, that means 1000 plus 1. 1000 plus 1 means next to the integer location, that is 1004, the address of AR of 1. Okay. Now the next is cout star is the star, then in the bracket PTR plus 1. So PTR plus 1, we already know that is 1004. So the content at, the value at 1004, the value at 1004 is what? 12, yeah. So it will display 12, the value of AR1. Now the next is PTR plus 9, there is no star there. So PTR plus 9 means what? PTR plus 9 means, PTR plus 1 is this one, 1004. So PTR plus 9 is 1036, yeah. So we will get the answer as 1036, the address of AR of 9. So if star is there, star PTR plus 9, if star PTR plus 9 means, yeah, the content at means the value at 1036, that is 19, yes. So displays 19, the value of AR9. Clear now? Yeah, it's interesting, no? Now, say this array name used as pointer. Oh, is it possible that array can be act like a pointer? Just see, cout AR, there is no subscript, so how it will display? Yeah, just see the second point here, PTR is equal to AR. Yeah, this we learned, is it? If we are using PTR is equal to AR means the PTR is pointing AR now. That means the value of AR, that is the base address, that base address of AR 1000 is assigning to PTR. That is the meaning of this, is it? So the base address is here now in AR. So cout AR means we will get, yes, the base address of AR we will get through simply we are putting cout AR. So now see, the pointer means the array is acting like a pointer now, is it? Simply if you are putting AR means you are getting that base address. So it's not a pointer actually, it's an array. So how is it possible? Yeah, in array it is holding the base address. Okay, if we are using subscript means that through that also we will get the base addresses by using ampersand sign. Without using that itself we will get 1000. Okay, so PTR is equal to AR means what? The same as PTR is equal to and AR of 0. Now just see this, cout star AR. Star means value at AR. So value at AR means 10 values are there. So which value? Yeah, the AR is holding 1000, right? So the base address is AR now. So 1000 star 1000 means the value at 1000. Yes, we will get it. So see, array is acting like a pointer. So through AR star we will get display 34. That is same as cout AR of 0. Clear? Now the next, cout AR plus 1. This is also possible. AR plus 1 means AR is base address, that is 1000. 1000 plus 1 means next to the location. So that is 1004. Yeah. So we will get 1004, the address of AR1. So if you are putting star at outside and bracket AR plus 1 means the value at 1004. What is the value at 1004? 12. So we will get 12. The same as cout AR plus 1. Is it? Yeah. So array also we can make it as a pointer now. Is it? Yeah. Now see this pointer and arrays to display all the elements. If I want to display all the elements, what to do? See, this is the simple method, is it? Int I is equal to 0, I less than 10, I plus plus. We are using a loop variable, for control looping variable for printing all the elements. This is a normal way of printing. See out AR of I means we will get 0, 1, 2, 3, so till 9. We will get all the elements there. Any other methods are there for printing all the elements? Just see. Is it possible to printing? For I is equal to 0, I less than 10, I plus plus. 10 times we will get that for loop. But at that time, see out star and in bracket AR plus I bracket close. So how it will work? AR plus I. First time I is 0. So AR plus 0 means 1000 itself. So star 1000 means, the value at 1000 location. So we'll get 34 there. Is it? If AR plus 1 means, we'll get 12. If AR plus 2 means, we'll get 8. If AR plus 3 means, we'll get 18. So up to 9, we'll get it. So two methods are there now. Is it? One is normal way with subscript number. The other one is by giving the subscript number. How? By adding with array, means the base address. Understood? Yes. Now see the third method, by using pointer variable. By using PTR also we can display it. Is it? Int I is equal to 0, I less than 10, I plus plus. See out star at outside and bracket PTR plus I. The same like AR plus I only, because PTR is holding 1000 now. So 1000 plus 0 means 1000 itself. Star 1000 means we'll get 34 there. Then the next PTR plus 1 means 1000 plus 1. That means next to the location 1004. So star 1004 means the value at 1004. So we'll get all the elements. Is it? Because loop is there. PTR plus I will work out. So we'll get all the elements from 0 to 9. Is it? Any other method is there? Just see. Is it possible to print? Int I is equal to 0, I less than 10, I plus plus 10 times. Then see out star, then in the bracket PTR plus plus. PTR plus plus means PTR is equal to PTR plus 1. So is it possible to increment the value of PTR? Yes, it is possible. We already studied in the last video. Is it? Arithmetical operation in PTR. So PTR plus plus means next location only. PTR is moving to the next location. It's an array. So contiguous location only. So the PTR can point to the next location. So that is the value of PTR is now 1004. So we'll get 1004th value because star is there. So first time PTR itself, that is 0th position value. Then PTR plus plus means 1004th content. Then again PTR plus plus. So we'll get 8. So keep on, it will move up to 9. Is it? So through PTR incrementing also it is possible. What is the difference in both PTR plus I and PTR plus plus? PTR plus plus means we are changing the location. We are changing the value at PTR and moving to the last step. So the value of PTR is after the execution of this means next to the cell, next to the 9th cell. Okay. So if you want to get it back means just we can put PTR is equal to AR. We will get the base address again. So by adding PTR plus plus, we are incrementing the PTR value by 1. We are changing the PTR value. No problem because array only. So we will get all the cell values. But here we are not changing the PTR value. PTR is still 1000 itself. But just we are focusing to each cell. That is the difference of PTR plus I and PTR plus plus. So if PTR plus plus is there, is it possible to do AR plus plus? Just see. Int I is equal to 0, I less than 10, I plus plus. See out star AR plus plus. AR plus plus means AR is equal to AR plus 1. Is it possible to change AR 1000 to 1004? No, it is not possible, because here through this example we'll get that array is not a pointer variable. Is it? Array is an array only. So it can hold only its base address. It can't change the base address. That is important. Okay, so this one is wrong. It is not possible to print all the elements by incrementing, by changing the base address. Okay, but here AR plus I means we are not assigning the value of AR plus I to AR itself. Is it? We are just giving a focus to each cell. AR is still in 1000 itself. So this one is possible. We can't change it. That's all. Understood? Okay. And now we learned array can act like a pointer. But the main important point is what? Array name always contains the base address of the array. It cannot be changed. Okay? So I hope you all got the idea about pointers and arrays in static method. In the coming video, we are going to talk about pointers and arrays in dynamic method. Okay? So till then, take care. Bye. Thank you.